Hello guys, I'm AJ and I'm going to tell you what happened yesterday, day 7. Oh my gosh, Coach Julie just really got pissed off because my classmate na-late siya and sobrang lapit niya lang and palagi siyang late. Tapos parang 2 blocks lang yung house niya and lagi siyang nalilate. So kahapon, nagalit si mom. It was really scary. But lesson learned, don't be late. And kasi nga daw yung mga artist nila, mga taga-ABS-CBN is may discipline talaga kahit buyat pa, nandun sila palagi on time. So kami, mga workshops lang kami. So kailangan may discipline talaga if gusto talaga namin maging artista. Kaya naman ako, lagi akong hindi late kasi 12 o'clock pa lang. Oh my gosh, 12 o'clock na aalis na ako. Nakakarating ako doon ng 2 o'clock. So, sobrang early ko. 3 p.m. ang aming call time every day. So, ayun. Sana mamaya wala nang na-late. Kasi day 8 na ngayon. So, yun. Kailangan ko na umalis kasi baka malita ako. Ayoko malita at papagalitan ni Coach Julie. Bye! Punta kayo sa Facebook sa baba description and just click the link there and you'll see more stories about what happened in Star Magic Voice Workshop. That's all. Bye!